Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Nina's channel, and I hope to Miss Nina's kitchen, and I hope you all are blessed. I am blessed, and I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. And I'm going to read you a scripture right now. Okay, I'm going to take it from times of trouble. Let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you, not as a world do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. This is coming from John 14, 1 and 27. And so I hope you all, this will help someone today that's going to be on their way today, tomorrow, whenever you all look at the video. And I want God to bless you according to the reading of the word. It's for us taken from John 14 and verse 27, 127.
And
okay.
Y'all, please like the video, hype the video up, comment on the video. It's free, y'all. It's free to like the video. It's free to comment. All of that's free. So please like the comment. It helps YouTube to push your videos out. Thank you so much. All
right, I'm getting ready to make sweet potato pie. It's a little different, and I usually use heavy cream all the way. But I have some canned milk that I had left off of something, and I'm going to try this. And I want to use up my potatoes. And I know you can use pies any time of the year. And people have potato pies any time. So I had about 7 small size sweet potatoes. That's what I'm using today. They're not large, they're small sizes. Okay. So I've already cooked them. And I put a stick of butter. This stick of butter is already in them, okay? And so what I have left now, I'm going to be just kind of pouring everything in as I go. Okay, I have a half a cup of white granulated sugar. Push it up so you won't mind. Knock it over. Of granulated sugar. Okay. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay. And right here, I have this is baking powder instead of flour. So I have on here, I have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder. Okay. Not baking soda. I want to show y'all this baking powder. Okay. And out here, I have a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm going to pour all this together. Okay. Just a little bit of salt. This is about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I got it out here. I need to move it. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the mixer and I'm going to start blending it up. So, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. And I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of, I have canned milk, and I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of canned milk. I'm going to put in in my half cup of milk. Okay, now I'm gonna, before I put my eggs in, where the spoon? What's that? I forgot my flavor. All right, now I'm putting it. This is 2 teaspoons and a half. Okay. This is vanilla flavor. Vanilla extract, you also. You can see. Have enough sugar and everything in it. I have enough sugar. Okay.
She said the potato's not sweet, y'all, so she had to add some more sugar to it. So go by your taste as you taste them.
Huh?
I was telling them go by their taste.
Now sweet it out. Okay, this is 1/4 of a cup, so I'm gonna try that 1/4 is 2. This will be a half a cup. I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna try a half a cup. It's 1, 2. Okay, that's a half a cup right now. So let me see how this runs.
Okay, y'all, there's 3 eggs she's putting in there.
Okay. Yeah, the light's coming on and I know it's gonna stop. And I think it's beat up enough. I think that's enough. What do you think about that's enough? Okay.
Okay, y'all, she took some, she had a little bit too much filling, sweet potato pie filling, so she took the pie crust and she rolled it out and she put it in the little muffin pans to make it like this. So she has a pie in that.
350.
Okay, y'all, she's gonna start it off in the oven for 35 minutes on 350. Okay, we'll be back once it's finished. All right, thank you.
Okay, this is the final touches of my sweet potato pie, and we had just a little bit too much for the pan. Excuse me. So we had to want me to sit down again.
Yeah.
Had a little bit too much for the one pan, so we just took pie crust and put it in the little muffin tin with the, what is that, 12 in there? 8, 9?
Just 9 left.
9 left in the pan, in the little muffin pan, and made it like that. So it's very good, and I hope you all will try it. But that's why we left it and just see how it would come out with a little bit more than, it wasn't enough for 2, so we had to make it out in the little muffin tin. So it's very good. So I'm gonna taste it for you, and I have just a little bit of whipping cream on it, whatever. Okay. Yeah, it's very, very good. You know. So please try it. I hope you will enjoy it.
Yeah, it's very, very good.
Go to your description box and you will find out how to make it. But I had one or two things that I used that normally I make it out of condensed milk or something else. But this was out of the evaporated canned milk. But it's still good. 'Cause everybody don't have condensed milk. So you can try it either way. Thank you so much. This is Miss Nina's Kitchen. This is a sweet potato pie in the midsummer days. Goodbye now. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. With all my love.
Don't forget to like, comment, hype. If you have hype, then share. Thank you so much.